Once again, guys, it's the Investor Show. As always, this is your host, Prince Dykes, coming to you guys live with another great video. Guys, don't forget to send me a email at info@royalfinancials.com. Send me an email if you would like to be a part of my distro. Still trying to get my distro together so you know when all the books and the cartoons and the videos and places I'll be live and all of the great stuff. So send me over email. Also, forget to check out my book, The World's First Investment Book for Children, titled Wesley Learns to Invest. Check out my app, IABOH. What else? Oh yeah, the podcast. Check out the podcast on iTunes, Google Play. What else is it on? SoundCloud, Podbay. I don't know. All over the place. You can find it anywhere. So check that out. It's called The Investor Show. But don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment button. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give me a thumbs down. But tell me why you hated the video. But anyway, I don't have a lot of time, so I definitely know you guys don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So here, let me type in Google real quick. All right, I'm going to pull up Google here. Straighten out my computer here a little bit. All right, so the market is just open today. Google is trading up at $778 per share. Now, as you guys can see, the title in this video is called Buying Options with eTrade. So you're going to go right over here to the Options tab. Now that you're at the Options tab, yeah, my gains are a little high. You can hear cars leaving and everything. This microphone's pretty good. But anyway, as you can see here, boom, once you hit the Options tab right there, now you have, these are the expiration dates, October 14th, October 21st, so on, so on, so on. Over here you have the calls. This is the bull side if you think it's going up or whatever. These are your puts, right? Now let's say these right here in the middle, these are the strike prices. So let's say if you want to see more, you hit, boom. You hit the, you see how I did that? I open it up. If you want to see 7 strikes, 9, 11. So you can put in all, whatever the case you want to do. Now this is showing you calls and puts. If you just want to see calls only, you go here. You want to see puts only. If you want to execute strategies, strangles, straddles, butterflies, which is a little bit more advanced, I'm not going to get into in that video, you hit those here. They can show you different things you want to do. Now, here you have last bid ask. Last is telling you, hey, this is the last price this stock, not this stock, but this is the last price this contract traded for. The bid is what people are willing to buy it for. Let's say, for example, you are willing to sell something for $5. Say if I own, I don't know, a hamburger, and I want to sell it for $5. That's my ask price. I'm asking $5 to buy my hamburger. The bid would be if somebody's saying, "Hey man, $5, man, that's a lot for a hamburger. I give you $4, right?" So the bid would be $4. The ask would be $5. You know, the last is the last price that it was sold. Let's say I sold the last burger. I sold a burger for $6. That would be my last. Now I'm asking for $5 for my hamburger. That's the ask price. Somebody's like, "I give you $4." That is the bid price. Pretty simple and easy, right? Boom, man, you guys are smart. So there you go. There you have it. That's your last bid and ask. Net change. Net change is talking about from yesterday to today. That's how much this contract has changed. So it's saying from the last price, $11.50, that was the last one that sold. You're seeing a $2.70 change. Now another thing to remember is, okay, open interest. Your open interest in your volume is telling you how many people are interested in this particular contract, and the volume is telling you how many times they went back and forth. So that's a good thing to know too, because you don't want to buy nothing with very little to no interest, because you may be stuck having something. So I'm not a big fan of that. Some people do. I don't do that. If you want to buy that particular contract, you hit the trade button on the call side, or you can hit it on the put side. Now, so if you're looking at a particular contract, you can look at the details of it. When you get into the details of the contract, it's telling you this was the last price, how much it moved today, what is the bid, what is the ask. The day's range is telling you, so far today, this is the range. This is the high, that was the low. The volume, only one got sold. So you can come down here. You can look at the chart on it. You can look at the charts in the last 3, 4, 5, or 6 months. You can come down here and get the Greek symbols, the data, the gamma, the theta. You know, I don't want to get too far nose into this video. I don't want to make the video too long. So boom. So that's where you have that at when you want to look at the details of a particular contract. And if you want to buy one. I don't want to, can I go all the way back here? I may have to, yeah, let's see. Hit the go button there. Go back to options. Then when you go to trade one, so now as you go to trade one, it's going to tell you here the symbol. You can put on a strategy. That's the cool thing about this now, right? You can say, hey, I want to do a strangle, I want to do a straddle, whatever the case may be, right? I just hit on straddle, but did I hit on straddle? Yeah, I did. But anyway, once you have it, you go to buy open. Depending on what you want to do, you want to buy open, sell, open. This is talking about if you want to buy or sell options. You know, most time you may be buying, or you could be on the seller side. You can sell to open, or you can buy to open the contract. You put in here, you got your expiration date, you got your strike, price type, market, limit, stop on quote. Market means get me in right then and there. I have another video that tells you guys all the price types too. Term, how long you want to be this offer to be good for? Today, 6 days, 60 days, or whatever. This is only good for the day because this one expires in like 3, 4 days, 5 days. So makes common sense why it's there. Over here, they give you the chain to let you know what everything looks like. It's telling you how many people are asking for the bid and the ask on this particular chain on October 14th. You can slide it over here to see that or whatever. And it's telling you how many people are asking for it. So you can get to see what the volume is and stuff like that. And you have it up here too, the bid and ask. When you're ready to do that, you type everything in, you hit preview, you hit, what's after that? You hit pretty much, place order, and boom, you're in. That's buying an option with eTrade. It's kind of give you a little skinny a little bit. So I know I haven't been away for a little while with doing the tutorials, but I'm back and, you know, I'm doing a couple things with the cartoons and podcasts, and you know I have my next book coming out here in a few months, starting the publishing on that. I still have the app, and you know we're going into taking it around the globe with my workshop, Invest with West. So working on a couple things, doing some interviews for you guys, bringing you guys some of the top people in. But I want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank all of you guys for the years and years of following me and you know, supporting me. And I see all of you guys' great comments. I can't reply to all of them, all the inboxes, but I definitely appreciate it. And I'm going to keep it coming. You guys keep me going. You guys keep me sharp. But until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be safe, and I'm out.